In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up volume profile in TradingView using the two correct ways with the correct navigation. Volume profile shows how much trading happened at each price level, helping you spot areas where the market spent time and traded heavily. It's a powerful tool for understanding support, resistance, and overall market structure, and we'll set it up in two ways: fixed range and either visible range or session volume. Let's start with the fixed range volume profile. On the top toolbar, click Indicators. In the search bar, type Volume Profile. From the results, click Volume Profile, Fixed Range. Now move your cursor to the chart and click at the start of the range you want to analyze. Drag to the end of that range and release to apply the volume profile. This creates a profile that's locked to the exact segment you chose, which is great for examining a specific move, earnings window, consolidation, or any defined period. Once it's on your chart, double-click the volume profile to adjust its settings. Here, you can fine-tune things like the number of rows, the calculation method, and the value area. Increasing the resolution gives more detail, while fewer rows makes it cleaner and easier to read. You can also customize colors and line styles to fit your chart. The goal is to clearly see the point of control, high-volume nodes, and low-volume areas without clutter. Now let's set up the second method, visible range or session volume. Click Indicators again on the top toolbar. Search for Volume Profile. This time, select Volume Profile, Visible Range or Volume Profile. Session Volume. The indicator will automatically apply to the current visible chart area or to each session, depending on which one you choose. Visible range updates as you pan or zoom, giving you a dynamic read of the area you're currently viewing. Session volume, on the other hand, builds a separate profile for each trading session, which can be very helpful for intraday structure and identifying where the bulk of trading occurred during specific sessions. After it appears on your chart, double-click the indicator to adjust its settings. Just like before, you can refine the row size, value area, and styling so the profile stands out without overpowering your candles. If you find the display heavy, consider lowering opacity or simplifying the color scheme within the settings to keep everything readable. That's it. Use fixed range when you want to study a specific move, and use visible range or session volume for a broader, real-time view of what's on your screen or per session. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.